All right, first one we're going to just start with a nice Russian twist. Now this workout will be 30 seconds work and then 20 seconds rest, where we can explain to you what we're going to be doing on that next workout. We'll do a 3 workout set, and then we'll do that for 2 rounds before we move on to the second 3 workout set.
If you notice with the Russian twist, we're trying to go all the way from side to side. We're not going leg to leg.
All right, and then our next exercise, got about 15 seconds. We're going to go into a nice plank.
So when you're doing planks, if you need to be at your knees, your elbows, make the adjustments that make you successful. But the big thing is you just want to have a straight back, squeeze that core, and a nice isometric hold. Isometric meaning we're not moving, but we're working. And like I said, if you start feeling like those hips are not staying up, just drop to your knees, but keep that back straight and squeeze that core.
All right, up for 20 seconds. Next one we're going to be moving on to is the scissors. We'll do those in 5-second holds. So we'll just be down, raise those feet, lay down on your back, legs up, scissors.
And every 5 seconds, we're just going to switch it. Switch. And switch. And switch.
Woo.
Switch. Switch.
Oh,
Nice
good job. That was a good one. All right, and then we're back down on the next one. We're back at Russian twists again. Really try and engage that core. Keep your feet kind of still.
Chest is up. Feet are up if you feel, or if you have to, put your feet down. But we're going side to side, working those obliques. So the side to side motion is what's going to engage the obliques. If you're just sitting here moving your hands, that's not going to do it. So you're trying to reach and stretch.
All right, next one, over into a plank again. Got about 5 seconds.
Do you feel it?
Feel it.
And as always, we make modifications if it's too difficult, but we also can make modifications if it feels like it's easy.
Got about 10 seconds. Hang in there.
You can do hip dips.
Woo.
Nice.
All right, 20-second rest. We're back to the scissors again.
Switch.
Make sure you're breathing on this one.
Oh, thanks for the kisses, Steph.
Switch. Switch. Oh, that's a good one. All right, so now we are on to round 2. As we move on to round 2, we'll do this one in 2 sets, just like the first one. 3 exercises, starting with shoulder taps. So down in a plank, got about 5 seconds. Alternating tapping the shoulder, engaging the core, trying to keep your body controlled. If it's too easy, slow it down.
And make sure you're breathing on these. A lot of times people will hold their breath. So it should be in and out, controlled breathing, keeping your body
Good job.
in one solid, rigid formation that engages those core muscles.
Next one, we're down for a bicycle. Again, 30 seconds. We got 5 seconds till we get going. Challenge yourself a little bit. Get those hands off the ground.
Or if that's too hard, you can lay down and do your bicycle from down
Nice.
here in the laying position.
All right. Finish that one up. Nice 20-second break. And we are into some plank crunches. These ones are hard. If you need to, just do a regular plank.
So plank crunches, we're going to be bringing our knees up by our elbows in that plank position. So we can be up.
Keep that spine neutral. Try not to be looking up so much. Keep that spine nice and straight. Make sure you're breathing. 5 seconds. Whew.
It's a good one.
All right, so we'll do that same 3 workouts again in a row. Starting with shoulder taps, so we'll be back down in a plank position, touching those shoulders. A little more cardio, you can speed it up. But make sure that you stay in control. Stella, come here. Stella's a goofball. Stella, come here.
She's good.
I don't want you to know. That was a joke. That was a joke. Could have your dog on your back. Just kidding. 20-second break. Next one up, we're doing those bicycles again. Whew.
Where you riding? I'm riding to the top of Pike's Peak. All right.
About 5 seconds here. No, lay down. 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 Stay. Good.
So you see, more advanced, hands are up. Okay, do that for as many seconds as you can. Next phase, hands go down. Do that for as long as you can. And then the final phase, if you have to, come down and do it from the laying position.
Whew. Good job.
Love it.
Oh, we're on our last one. Now, if this is too easy for you, you can always do more. If it's too hard, you can do half. You can do the first 3. And then maybe a couple days later, go ahead and try that bottom 3 of the exercise.
Yeah, watch it a second time. If you said that was easy, double it up.
Oh, bike crunches. Here we go.
With struggle comes strength. So if you feel that shaking, it feels difficult, that's good for you. Okay, if it's too difficult that you're not having good form, then make it a little bit easier. Okay? Usually speed is the enemy. Slow, controlled actions engage those muscles. So when you're doing any type of workout, control, control, control. Target and isolate what you want to be working. Try not to use speed and momentum. Hey, it was a great workout.
Yeah, awesome workout.
Good
Hey,
to see you as always.
make sure, feel free to add this to the end of some of your other exercises. This is just a quick 10-minute workout, so add it to any of your daily exercise or routine. You know, try and do it every other day if you can. And then, yeah, have some fun, change it up, make up your own workout.
Be nice. Be kind. Help out when you can. And have fun.
All right, see you
Mission.
guys.